Groundfloor investing app. The pros, the cons. Groundfloor is a real estate crowdfunding app that allows investors to participate in short-term property loans. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros. First, low minimums. You can invest in real estate loans with as little as, making it accessible to most investors. Second, potential returns. Some loans offer annualized returns between 8% and 14%, higher than traditional fixed income options. Third, transparency. The app provides detailed information about each project, borrower, and expected risks. Now, the cons. One limitation is liquidity. Investments are tied up until the loan matures, so your money isn't immediately accessible. Another drawback is risk. Default rates, market downturns, or project delays can impact returns. The surprising truth? Groundfloor gives retail investors access to real estate debt investing, but it's best suited for those willing to accept moderate risk for higher returns. In conclusion, the pros: low minimums, high potential returns, and transparency make Groundfloor appealing for new real estate investors. The cons: limited liquidity and risk exposure mean careful planning is essential.